Do you want to come off as the tough guy? Are you tired of being not appreciated? Do you want to be hurt by the crowd? I got you covered, because today I'm gonna show you how to whistle without fingers. Cause this is something you can do in your pathetic life. This is something you'll probably forget after the video is over. Hi guys, it's your boy Reto. The whistle without fingers honestly changed my life, and it will change yours. I swear, no clickbait here. I learned this around 5 years ago, and it took me about
2,000 years
to kinda master it. And I was trying it the whole day. Finally, I was able to do my first whistle. And this really changed my life. Now my players take me serious as a soccer coach. Ibra! Partying feels so much better. And I can use it on my dog. Okay, that's not even my dog, but you get the point. And you can use the whistle to get the girls' attention. No, no, no. That's the one thing a whistle isn't made for. It's not allowed to use it on girls. Cause on this channel, we respect girls. And I didn't even make that up. Don Whistle, the inventor of whistling, used to say to his students, "With great comes great responsibility." And the best thing about this skill, anyone can learn it. Literally anyone. You might take a few days longer, but you will master it in the end. Trust me. So how does it work? Okay, so here comes the cringy part. Like, you take your mouth and you put your underlip under the teeth. Okay. No, stop. Let's do another approach. Step 1. You tighten your lower lip over your teeth and put your jaw to the front. Step 2. Your tongue needs to be pressed against your upper teeth. The only place where the air can leave your mouth is in the front. Step 3. Show your upper teeth and make a face like this. Do you see this face? Copy this face. It's a Robert De Niro type of face. Your cheek muscles must be really stiff. This hard triangle here, this is the triangle of success, my friends. And then... But remember, the most important thing to learn it is don't give up. Your mouth might hurt, but your brain has the power to push beyond your limit. Go, get it. Don't just blow the whistle. Be the whistle. You might not see the ending, you might just see a dark grey sky. But remember, that's just temporary. Behind every dark grey sky, there's a clear blue sky. And after that, it's the infinite dark black universe. So that's that. Don't give up. Practice, practice, practice. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. For more, go the subscribe and leave a comment if I helped you. Get late. See you next time when you again learn. Absolutely nothing useful for your life. Peace.